Congee is a savory rice porridge and it's a great comfort dish, and we put a bit of a Japanese twist on this using some miso and shiitake and also some brown rice instead of regular rice. So first of all, I'm just going to prep some of our spring onions. So just get rid of the roots and we'll use up all the way until it gets dark green. But keep those tops for some garnish at the end. And if we just get our pan onto medium heat. Now I'm starting off with some sesame oil. Sesame oil is quite strong, but it's going to give a real boost of flavor to the dish. And then these onions. While the onions are cooking, I'm going to prep the garlic and ginger. And then with the ginger, just remove the skin using a spoon. And then you can also easily grate it using that microplane as well. So just give those onions a bit of a stir. And then in with that garlic and the ginger. Then just in with the miso paste and stir that through as well. I'm using some pre-cooked rice. You can buy this from the supermarket or just use some of your leftover brown rice. That's just going to cut down on the cooking time. Now just give that a stir through. And then just in with some chicken stock. If you want to keep this vegetarian, just use vegetable stock, obviously. Okay, so that's come to a simmer. So I'm just going to reduce the heat to low and cover it, and we'll cook it for an hour. So while that's simmering, I'm just going to swap this over and cook our mushrooms. And I'm just going to melt some butter with a little bit of oil. The oil's just going to make sure the butter doesn't burn. So as soon as that butter's melted and splattering a bit, just add that miso paste, stir it in. Okay, and once that's dissolved, just tumble in your shiitake mushrooms. If you don't have shiitake mushrooms, you could also use Swiss brown mushrooms. And now just coat them in that miso butter, and we'll cook them until they're nice and golden. So the mushrooms are nice and golden now, so we can get them off the heat. Just going to drain them on a bit of paper towel. So the congee is beautiful and thick, so we can turn off the heat, and we'll just go straight into a bowl. And I'm just going to take some of those spring onions we had, a bit of garnish, and then just take a few of the shiitake mushrooms, pile them on there. Now I've just got some chili paste here. You could use whichever one you prefer. This one's quite fiery, and give it a stroke through. And just to green it up a bit more, some extra herbs. And for a tiny bit of crunch on top, it's all about the garnishes here. A bit of crispy fried onion. So there it is, easy brown rice congee. We've taken a few shortcuts, but this is a beautiful comfort dish, and I promise you, you're going to enjoy that.